I've recently started experimenting with ChatGPT, and I wanted to see how much ball knowledge it had. So I made a kind of player finder. What it does is basically you give it a bunch of parameters, and it will find you a soccer player that fits all those parameters. I called it Squad GPT. But before we get into the video, please like and subscribe, and that will really help me out. So I made this project using Java and JavaFX, and our four main files in the project. So there is this one called ChatGPT, in which this basically just handles the OpenAI requests and stuff. There's this one called Application Start, which is just kind of like a launcher for the application. There is this hello view.fxml, which is just the UI file, and then here this application controller, which handles all of the UI and all the JavaFX stuff. Basically the controller for the fxml file. So I'm just gonna run the application now. Sorry. So this is the app. It's got some parameters: position, minimum goals, minimum assists, maximum age, currently playing, ability, team or league, country, and other parameters. So let's just fill it out a bit and see what player it gives us. So let's say position, striker. Ability, let's do passing. Say he has to have at least 100 goals. Or 101. At least 50 assists. And he has to be maximum 31 years old. Must be currently playing. Must play in the Serie A, let's say. Must be Italian. And let's say one more parameter. Must be a good shooter. If we're on the search, gives us a couple of players. So the first one is Ciro Immobile. The second is Cristiano Ronaldo. The third is Mertens. The fourth, Lukaku, and the fifth is Belotti. So it is important to note that ChatGPT's training only goes until September 2021. So obviously Ronaldo doesn't play for Juventus anymore. He plays for Al Nassr now. But all the other ones are fine, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna try one more time. Let's see, let's try a center back with good attacking. At least, say 25 goals and at least 10 assists. 7 assists is fine. Back, just say 35. Say team Real Madrid from Brazil. And let's say must be a good passer. Shit. So, Vieira, Thiago Silva, Dani Alves, David Luiz, and Eder Militao. Some of these players don't play for Real Madrid, like Thiago Silva, but some of them do, like Militao does. Okay, so I'm gonna try one more time. Fire in the application. Let's say a center back with good attacking, at least 40 goals, 20 assists, maximum 36, currently playing, let's say from Brazil, plays for Real Madrid, and let's say is a good passer. And on the search, gives me Ramos, who doesn't play for Madrid anymore, used to. Marcelo, again, doesn't play anymore, but he used to. Militao still plays. Everton. So it gives you kind of a ranking of the best results for your search. For example, if I bring this down to, let's say, 24, gives Marcelo, Ramos, if he's not 24, but he's a good match with everything else, so he'll put it in there anyways. Then Militao, put in Militao twice, and then Fabinho. And let's try one last time. This time, let's try with a center attacking mid. Good dribbling. Say at least 295 goals and 81 assists. Up to 45 years old. Currently playing it. Let's go with team. Let's go Inter Milan. Country. Go any country. And then other parameters must be a good shooter. Also, any of all these parameters are optional. Like you could run this without using any parameters and it will give you a soccer player anyways. But let's try with this. This one gives Suarez, Lukaku, Martinez, Eriksen, and Brozovic. So as you can see, it works pretty well. Okay, and just to show what would happen if you ran the app without using any parameters. So run the app and I just don't put any parameters in and I just click run search. It gives me a couple of players. It gives me 10 players. Mason Greenwood, Jude Bellingham, Bukayo Saka, Sancho, Haaland, Fati, Foden, Felix, Martinelli, and Bailey. So yeah, it'll just give you a list of other players that it found. Thank you for making it this far in the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.